When you get your WorkTunes Plus Connect Plus rather, AM/FM hearing protector, it'll give you an instruction booklet, and all you do is, of course, just open the booklet up and turn through it. It'll show you everything you need to know how about setting it up, the features and things like that. So make sure you keep the booklet because it'll really help you in the long run. There's a feature on here I didn't know it had, but pressing in the dial button and the power button, it gives you get certain kilohertz, and the 9 kilohertz for Australia and Europe, 10 kilohertz for America, North America. So anyway, let's see here. Shows you how to set it up, the power button, the adjustment, the little pad in the middle there, you can take that out, and you can just flip through it here. Shows you how what it says whenever the battery gets low. It's got a 2-hour shut off, auto shut off to conserve battery power, and it shows you that it's got 82 for the safety volume is at 82 decibels. So I thought there might have been a way that you can take it off, but maybe there isn't. So it says safe volume control technologies allowing for increased volume. Some features call it a dosimeter. Some things you can take it off. They can take that off, but I don't think you can with these. Let's see here. Higher exposures allow for a period of time, and when they gradually reduce if necessary below the long-term average 82 decibel A for extended use. Higher sound exposure allow for a period of time, and then gradually reduce if necessary below. Just trying to see here if we can try to get it all. Okay. Downloads complete WorkTunes Connect AM/FM radio hearing protectors. Use the manual online 3msafety.com. So press and hold the source button. The cycle will cycle through the 3 equalizer modes: pop, rock, and flat. Then release the button, and when you reach your desired mode. It's easy. Page 8, and that tells you about the hertz there, kilohertz. Push in the power button, push in the dial, and it puts you on 10 for North America and 9 for Australia. And of course you got your select mode, AM/FM mode there. Your tuning and seeking, if you push in that same button there, push it in like it shows here, it'll auto select for you stations that it can pick up. And to save stations, all you do is push in the function button there, and it saves the station. If you want to go back to it, I think you can just push it for a long, push it again for a little bit, and it deletes it. Now, if you want to see what you've saved, all you do is push the function button one time, and you can dial through it with this, and it goes to the save stations that you have, instead of going through the whole radio spectrum, auto 80s point whatever to the 108s. So you can just go directly to your save stations. And so it shows you all those there, shows you all that information right here. And it shows you how to pair the device. You set this on the Bluetooth mode by pushing this button here after you powered it on, of course. And it'll say Bluetooth. And so what you do after that is you push and hold this button here, the function button, and it'll go into the Bluetooth pairing mode. And so what you do is you look on your phone, of course, and your Android or your iPhone, and you go to Bluetooth settings, and it should have WorkTunes Connect Plus, so what have you, and you select that, and that's how you get paired up. It's really easy to do, very simple, and no problem. So you can also do the forward and backwards autoplay when you're listening to the Bluetooth stuff. So you can also, I mean, it's pretty cool how you can just take this and you can be listening or watching stuff like on YouTube or whatever, and or listening on your phone, and you can dial it. You can dial through even through channels and stuff. But it just basically you got to play along with it. You got to play with it. It tells you about the incoming calls. This little microphone right here is a feature that they didn't have on the other ones, so they have it on this one. So you know the wireless from a while back. So you got it here, and you also, like I said, you got the charger for the your flat charger there, and also for the MP3, you can hook up in there and just pull the little thing out, a little stopper out of there. Not this part, but that part. So I want to tear that up, and it shows you how you do all that there. And the forward, back, I think I already covered that. Yeah, let's see here. By tuning, turn the tuning dial forward, go forward, or backward, press the tuning button, and pause and play. Okay. So the same thing here, forward, back, and pause and play. You can also turn the volume up with the phone and also by the headset. Pause and play, tuning dial, whatever. Little features where you're connected into the audio, stuff like that. Like I said, it's easier to just to put the things on your head and just go with it, you know. And then you can just explore. It's not really hard to do. And this is your basic quick start guide. This has a lot of information in it. So under the source button, if you go to FM mode, you go to AM mode, and you go to Bluetooth mode, or line in, which is your MP3 hookup. So the next thing under that would be the pairing. And like with AM, you would your frequency, you can store channels, recall, press recall and all that stuff, press and hold to delete station, and all this fun stuff. So it's pretty easy to do. And so with the everything, it just kind of sums everything up. So in the FM mode, you can tune the station in, you can seek the station by pushing on the dial. You can auto program stations by pressing and holding for 3 seconds. Same thing you can for AM mode, delete station, all that stuff. When you're in the Bluetooth mode, you can pair it up, of course, and you can also go forward and back on your Bluetooth, and pause and play and things like that while you're on your Bluetooth. That's things I was explaining earlier. And you line in, you can do the same thing, forward, back, pause, play. So it's a really simple guide, and like I said, it's just best to just throw them on your ears and just go with what you got. And of course, you got the 1-year warranty, and it's like, don't tear it up. You don't want to send it back to us because we're not going to do anything with it. But you got the 1-year warranty on here and everything, and tells you about using the mixing up batteries and stuff, and the Alpha Lion, the 1100 Lion battery pack, things like that, how you use that, what to do, what not to do, when to throw it, how to throw it away, and cold storage and hot places and things of that nature, and blah blah blah, and then the safety information, FCC, IC information, whatever that means, I don't know. Then we got the noise reduction rating, which is 24, and it tells you what reduces, mean attenuation, standard deviation, all that stuff depends on how loud or hertz is, or frequency of a thing is, and how much protection it gives you over that. Now, it might be a little bit more if you put gel ear pads on it. fun stuff, noise reduction, examples, cautions, audio input level, warranty, like I said, 1 year after the purchase date. So, and then you got the installing batteries, which I've already showed that earlier. And so all that fun stuff. The Alpha 1100 battery pack. And that's the end of that. Then you got other languages in here. About 2 or 3 other languages. And there you go. So anyway, hope that's helped somebody. And you can also see my other videos that I made of how to change out things like that. I might do a video on this as far as changing out the stuff on here, the headband and all that and the other. But I don't know if I'm gonna do that tonight, tomorrow, whatever. But I think I've already done that in several other videos. So but I might kind of refresh that. I don't know for sure, and make it shorter and simpler or something like that. I think my other ones, I did all that was a little bit longer, but how to pop the ear cushions out and stuff like that. If they kind of get older, if you want to go to the gels and things like that. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed it. And any questions, just give me a holler. Any comments, that'd be great. Thanks a lot.